What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mattia. I'm a professional time-lapse and hyperlapse photographer living in Madrid, and today I want to show you how to stabilize in hyperlapse. Hey guys, I hope you're well. I think most of you were waiting for this tutorial for a long time. I started making hyperlapse back in 2012 and I didn't have a clue how to edit it, because at that time there was any YouTube or step-by-step tutorials. Just comments on hyperlapse video and people trying to figure out on forums. And for me it was a lot of trial and errors until I got it right. So I hope with this tutorial I will make it much easier for you. Right, how do you stabilize all the hundreds of pictures we got from the shoot? There are three methods I use. There's a method number one, which is the easiest. On After Effects, you import your sequence and use Warp Stabilizer. So go to Effect panel under Result and select Smooth Motion. If you did a good job when shooting and the path of the hyperlapse was clear, that's the only thing that you will need to do. And method number two, after you run Warp Stabilizer and didn't work very well, you can do a couple of things to make After Effects do a better job. First, run it again on the second composition where you already applied it once, and that should smooth it out. If that didn't work, go in the Effect panel and change the method from Space Warp to Position Scale Rotate. If this didn't fix it, then go to Advanced and turn on Detail Analysis. If you still some warping, then go under Rolling Shutter Ripple and change it from Automatic Reduction to Enhanced Reduction. And this should do the trick. But if method number one and number two didn't work, this is the last result. It's a method number three, a semi-manual stabilization. So open the panel called Tracker, then select Stabilize Motion and tick Position and Rotation. Once you select them, in the time lapse will appear two boxes. Track point number one is position and track point number two is rotation. You will see by clicking on it that there is a box in the box. The inner box is the area or point that you want to keep fixed. The outer box is the area where After Effects is looking for the point in box number one in the next frame. So I hope it was clear. So now what you need to do is to get the box number one to a spot on your time-lapse that always visible and high contrast. In this example, a corner of the building. Then get the box number two to another spot, visible and high contrast, but opposite and vertical to box number one. Now go back to the panel and click the play button, and what After Effects will do is to find those 2 points in the sequence. So once it's done analyzing, if the points were high contrast enough, you should see that the boxes remain on the same spot of the object you selected. However, sometimes After Effects get confused and loses the objects in the box. If that is the case, you need to go back on the timeline where the box changed position and manually move it to the right spot. Then click play again, do the same for all the time After Effects lose the spot. Once it's done, go back to the tracker panel and click apply. Then a pop-up menu will show up called Motion Track Apply options and select X and Y. And this will apply the tracker to the time-lapse, hopefully making it smoother. If it's not perfect, just run Warp Stabilizer at least once. And that's it. These are basically the three methods I use to stabilize my hyperlapse. So hopefully one of these methods will work for you, and of course let me know if you have any question. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you want to see a tutorial on how to shoot hyperlapse, smash the like button and I will make one in the future. Also I wanted to let you know that my new photo map of the Jurassic Coast is now live on my website store with a 30% off in the first week or 40% if you sign up to my newsletter at mattiavicphotography.com. And if after all this situation is over and you are planning to visit this incredible place, make sure to check it out. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.